friends, warm welcome to all to our lecture series on population ecology, and in that we have finished 4 points from the population dynamic subpoint, and now we'll start with the fifth point of the population dynamic, which is nothing but age structure. The age structure of a population is the relative number of individuals belonging to different age groups. Population of any given species is always heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means having individuals belonging to different age groups. A given population can be divided into three different age groups. First age group is pre-reproductive age group. Second one is the reproductive age group, and the last age group is post-reproductive. The total numbers of individuals belonging to each age group determine the reproductive potential of a particular population. Size of the population also varies according to the predominant age group prevailing in the population. It may increase or decrease, or it may remain stationary based on that prevailing age group. The age factor decides the overall status and growth pattern of the population. That means age factor is important to determine the status and growth pattern of that particular population and consequently of the species. Many plants and higher animals like turtles, elephants and man have very long reproductive phase. In contrast, many insects have very long pre-reproductive phase, short reproductive phase, and often the post-reproductive phase is absent because most of the insects are subjected to death after reproductive phase. Example is of the silkworm. Requires long pre-reproductive phase to develop through the various larval stages and lives only a few days as the adult individual. In case of silkworm, the pre-reproductive phase is very long. That includes larval stages or developmental stages and only few days or the very short period as an adult animal. Butterfly also one of the insect having a long developmental history and adult stage lasts from a few days to a year. That means being insect, butterflies have long developmental stage and compared with that the adult stage lasts for few days to a year in case of certain species or some species. Bodenheimer in 1938 has described the following three age groups in case of the human being. First age group is pre-reproductive age group that lies between or up to 0 to 14 years. The second age group is reproductive age group between 15 to 59 years. The third one, that is post-reproductive age group, which varies according to the sex. In case of female, the post-reproductive age group is 45 above, and in case of male, it is 59 years and above. The age distribution within a population can be represented diagrammatically in the form of age pyramid, means distribution of age-wise distribution of the population, which is represented diagrammatically in the form of age pyramids. How many age pyramids are there? three. One is the triangular age pyramid with broad base, and that denotes a fast growing population. Second one, bell shaped pyramid. A bell shaped pyramid denotes stable population. Whereas third one, that is urn shaped pyramid. A narrow base urn shaped pyramid denotes declining population. What we term it as चहाची किटली, त्याच्यासारखा shape. Now we'll consider the next, that is nothing but the distribution of these age groups, and in the form of age pyramids that shows different age distribution pattern according to the age groups. The first age group that lies very close to the x-axis is pre-reproductive age group, then a reproductive age group, and the third one, that is post-reproductive age group. That means here in this diagram, C represents pre-reproductive age group, then B represents reproductive age group, and A represents post-reproductive age group. In case of human being, 0 to 14, then 15 to 45, or what we term it is as the reproductive age group. In case of female, up to 45, in case of male, up to 59, and then above that, that is post-reproductive age group. Here the three patterns are shown. One, that is type 1, type 2 and type 3. Type 1 is triangular pyramid. Type 2 is bell-shaped pyramid, and type 3 is urn-shaped pyramid. In case of this, the first, that is triangular pyramid shape, which represent expanding population, that is nothing but positive growth. Whereas the bell-shaped pyramid represents stable population, that is zero growth. And the third one, urn-shaped pyramid, or the here third type, which shows negative growth, shrinking of the population. That means young ones and or the young individuals are less in the population, and therefore the negative growth or shrinking of the population is shown by the third type. Age distribution. Accordingly, the distribution of males and females in each age group of a population is also shown, which is used to predict the future population growth. The age distribution, they are of the three methods, or represented by the three methods. One is pyramid shape, second is bell shape, and third one is urn shape. Gender wise, that is male and female population is shown here, with the baby boom age group, highest number of individuals that lies in between 0 to 10, and in the next 20 years the shifting of that highest population growth group is, or age group is shown from the 10 to 20, 0 to 10 to 20 to 30, and then the same age group is shifted from the 20 to 40 after 20 years in 2000, and in the at the same time as the individuals they reach to the maximum population, reach to the age group, that is 40 to 50, at the same time their in young ones or the children are of the baby boomers, they have shown their large number in between the 10 to 20 age group, and then the shifting of that 40 age group after 20 years in between 60 to 70, and at the same time their children or children of the baby boomers, which are shown which are shown here in the 30 to 40 age group. From 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40. That is millions of persons which are represented gender wise also, depending upon the number of males or females which are larger in the particular age group. The population growth is shown here. Now the pyramid shaped pyramid, that is triangular pyramid, and the particular population of the China and India is shown. In between the age groups are shown, and on the x-axis the population in million is represented, and one side is of the male, which is in the blue color, and green shade shows the female individuals on the another side. The number of individuals which are larger in the India's pyramid, it shows a stable population in the bell shape, and in case of the China, the population of individuals which are up to 14 age group in the first three age groups, that is 0 to 4, 5 to 9, and 10 to 14 individuals which are less in number compared with the India. Now this slide shows the bell-shaped age distribution of population, where the stable population distribution is shown in this bell-shaped pyramid, and distribution as per the age and sex is shown in the and this diagram depicts the industrialized countries where male and female proportion is also shown, that is percentage of total population, and on the y-axis with respect to the particular age group starting from 0 to 80 plus. Here the survival rate of the female is shown, which is more compared with the males. Now the urn-shaped pyramid, today's pyramid shape, that is triangular shaped pyramid, population profile will become urn-shaped by 2050, which is shown with the two shades of the orange color. Light orange color represent females, whereas dark orange color represents male of that particular population. And here the age groups which are shown, which also represent the number of individuals which are larger in the age group of the 0 to 14, that is 0 to 4, 5 to 9, and from 10 to 14. Now the population of India, which is shown here with the two different aspects, that is population at the 1950, and then the population at the end of the 2020. Here the age groups or age group wise distribution and also the gender wise distribution is shown, and we can see the first representation, that is pyramid, shows the structure which is triangular, that is first type of the structure, whereas the Second one shows bell-shaped pyramid. That means this triangular shaped pyramid will be converted in 2000. Triangular shaped pyramid of the 1950 of the India is converted into bell shaped pyramid, that is of the stable population, and triangular shape means fast growing population. Fast growing population, triangular shaped pyramid is converted into bell shaped pyramid of the stable population. Now we'll consider the last point, that is significance of the age structure. Study of the age structure of a population can predict the growth pattern, whether it is expanding or declining, or the particular population becomes stable. If the pre-reproductive and reproductive human age groups are large within their particular nation, facilities and infrastructure for education and employment have to be ensured in future. If the number of individuals of the post-reproductive age group, that is above 45 in case of female and 59 in case of male, if the post-reproductive group is high, then facilities for care and medical needs, that is medical treatment of the old age and aged, have to be provided, and provision is essential for that. If you like this video, do like, share the video for the benefit of the maximum students, and subscribe my channel Word of Zoology for the notification of my next video. Thanks for watching this video.